Okay, let's see some problems on the resistance, children. Now we'll see that based on the resistance, some formulas, some problems. Okay, what is meant by resistance? Already we have discussed in last class. If you not watched, just go through it and watch about resistance and resistivity. So what is the formula for resistance? R equal to rho L by A. Similarly for resistivity, rho equal to R A by L. L. These two are the formulas regarding resistance, right? So and also R equal to rho L by A also will be written as rho L by area will be pi r square, and in terms of diameter rho L by pi d square by 4, 4 will goes up. Okay, so these are the formulas regarding the resistance. Okay, now we are going to see the problems on it. Okay, we'll see now. So first question, calculate the resistance of a metal wire of length 2 meters and the area of cross section is 1.55 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. If the resistivity of the metal be 2.8 into 10 to the power of 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. Okay, so what they ask us to find? Resistance. So what is the formula? R equal to rho L by A. What is the resistivity here? 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into length 2 meters by area is how much? 1.55 into 10 to the power of minus 8. 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 8 gets cancelled. So 2.8 into 2, so it is 5.6 by 1.55. Okay, so it is 10 power minus 8, so 10 power minus 4. So into 10 to the power of minus 4, then here how much will be 10 to the power of minus 4? So into 10 to the power of minus 4. So 5.6 by 1.55, how much will be? We have to simplify. Simplification is important here. Okay, so remaining 10 power 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 ohms. Okay, this will be the resistance. Okay, let's see the another question now. So a copper wire has a diameter. See, important question, this model. A copper wire has diameter of 0.5 millimeters. So 0.5 millimeters just convert into meters. 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. This means this also will be written as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters. This is the diameter. Radius means half of the diameter, d by 2. That means 5 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4, that will be equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters. Okay, next calculate the length. We need to find the length, and resistivity also given. What is the resistivity? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. Calculate the length of this wire to make a resistance of 100 ohms. Okay, to make a resistance of 100 ohms, I need to find it. How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled without changing its length? So now there is a wire. This wire diameter is being doubled. That means this is being doubled. The area is going to be doubled. So what will be happen to the resistance? So first we'll find the length, then we'll go through that. R equal to rho L by A. So what is the resistance? 100. Resistivity 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 by into L by area. Area is, what is the area? It's a pi r square. Already just before we discussed, here we have diameter and we have radius also, but if you want substitute a radius na radius, you can take diameter and diameter, anything it can be taken. So from this, that 100 equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 by this, I'm going to write in terms of diameter itself. So into 4 into length by pi d square. I'm going to replace the d now. So 100 equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into 4 into L by 3.14 into d. D value is, this is the one, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 whole square. Okay, so now 100 equal to 1.6 into 4. 1.6 into 4 is how much? It is 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into length by 3.14 into 5 square, 25 into 10 to the power of minus 8, 4 into 2, 8, 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 8 gets cancelled. Then what is the remaining? 100 equal to 6.14 into length by 3.14 into 25. Then how much you will get? So 100 equal to 6.14 by 3.14 into 25, it is 78, 78.5 you will get. Okay, into length, I want to find the length only. So let's simplify this. 100 equal to 6.4 by 78.5. 6.4 by 78.5. How much you will get? Just calculate it. So it is approximately 0.0815. Okay. So if you simplify this into L, so L equal to 100 by 0.08. So 0.08 it will be approximately 1226 meters. Okay, so this is the length. Still what else we need to find? Still we need to find, still what we need to find? Need to find the resistance. Okay, I am about to find the resistance now. How to find the resistance? So how much does the resistance change? Change in resistance they asked. Does the resistance change if the diameter is being doubled? What is the initial diameter? 5 into 10 power minus 4 meters. Now what is the final diameter? Doubled. Doubled only, no? Doubled means 5 will becomes 10. 10 into 10 power minus 4 meters. Okay, got it? So 0.5 into 2. So it's nothing but 10 mm. 10 mm means 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters. Sorry, 1 mm. 1 mm means 10 into 10 power minus 4 meters. So this is the diameter. So now we are going to substitute. Initial resistance is what? 100 ohms. Now what is the resistance is going to be changed? R2 equal to rho L2 by A2. As the material is same and even the length is also same, so this will be written as rho. Rho is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into length. What is the length we got here? 120, 1226 by area. Area is how much? Pi d square by 4. 4 will goes up. Okay. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 into, if you multiply this, 1226 into 4 by 3.14 into D. D is how much? How much we got? 10 into 10 to the power minus 4. So it is 100 into 10 to the power of minus 8. 10 power a minus 8, 10 power minus 8 gets cancelled. Simplify it. After simplifying, you will get approximately 25 ohms you will get. Okay. After that you will get 25 ohms. How many times it increases? 4 times. Instead of that, you can solve it another way. I will tell you here. Just go through this, which will be better for you, that you can find it out. Instead of finding this much calculation, I will tell you shortcut. That is R2 by R1 into 100 for finding percentage. Okay. So, sorry. Instead of this, we will take another one. That is R2. R2 by R1. What is changing here? Only diameter is changing. So R2 resistance is inversely proportional to the square of the diameter. So R2 by R1 equal to D1 square by D2 square. So R2 is R2 only. R1 is how much? Initially 100. 100 equal to D1. D1 is how much? 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 by D2. D2 is 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4 whole square. 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 4 gets cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 2s are. So R2 by 100 equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So from this R2 equal to 4 1s are 4, 25. So R2 equal to how much? 25 ohms. 25 ohms is the resistance. If you want to find the percentage, what is the change in percentage? So initially what is the resistance? R1? R1 is 100 ohms. What is R1? 100 ohms. Now R2 what we got? 25 ohms. That means there is a change in resistance, right? So what percentage? R2 minus R1 by R1 into 100. Okay. So R2 is how much? 25 minus R1 is 100 by 100 into 100. So 100 gets cancelled. It is minus 75 percentage. That means minus represents it is decreases, plus represents increases. So as it is here minus, so 75 percentage decreases. So our the resistance is 25 ohms. Okay.